Please subscribe this channel and like and share more. It takes a strong heart to love, but it takes a stronger heart to continue to love after it's hurt. Maybe it's not always about trying to fix something broken. Maybe it's about starting over and creating something better. One of the most difficult tasks in life is removing someone from your heart. It's not the goodbye that hurts. It's the flashbacks and the memories that follow. Why should I be sad? Why should I be sad? I have lost someone who did not love me. But they lost someone who loved them. When you lost somebody you love, you never get over it. You get used to it. You can clutch the past so tightly to your chest that it leaves your arms too full to embrace the present. This is the problem with getting attached to someone when they leave. When they leave, you just feel lost. You just feel lost. We had the right love at a wrong time. We had the right love at a wrong time. All that remains to us when love and glory are over. When adventures and passions have faded into the past, is but a deeper and ever deepening sense of the infinite. And if we have not that within us, then are we destitute indeed? If you don't fight for what you want, don't cry. Don't cry for what you lost. Nothing on earth can make up for the loss of one who has loved you, who has loved you. The pain of losing you, no matter how much it breaks my heart. No matter how much breaks my heart. Reminds me that once upon a time, once upon a time, I loved you with everything I had. I loved you with everything I had. Why is it that we don't always recognize the moment love begins, but we always recognize the moment it ends. I can't lose you because if I ever did, if I ever did, I would have lost my best friend. Lost my best friend, my soulmate, my love, my everything. I think I understood. I think I understood love better when I had no love. When something is gone, something better is coming. Something better is coming. Thanks for watching and listening.